Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, it's I'm quite excited for this video because it's something different that's not just like, yeah, it's different. Well, today we are going to be installing this, I don't know however you guys say it, Omni or there's another word I forgot. So I already went ahead and started taking off the cover. Legit, it's just the little tabs right here. You just gotta pop them off, and then they're gonna be like this, and you have to push them off like that. These might break, so yeah. And then there's two screws, one right there and then one on the other side, and then screws for the cluster. Boom, 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 boom. And then go back here, gotta get the cable off, and then all these connectors, and this thing should just come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right, got the cluster off, and it's honestly pretty clean, which I would expect. Even back here, it's pretty clean. Yeah, if you guys are the ones that like, don't touch the lens, oh, don't worry, I'll clean it, because I'm like that too. But yeah, so it looks like maybe I'm gonna have to take off like the black, like right here, like push the tabs in. Yeah, because I don't think I'll be able to pull it out from the front, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. All right, finally got the cover off. What seemed to work was I would kind of put my screwdriver right there and like lift up a little bit and like pry it so it'll go forward. But I started with the bottom and like push it out a little bit so it wouldn't click back in. And yeah, I did that for all of them. Chipped it right here a little bit. Other than that, yeah, get it off. So next is this bar right here. Just gotta get those small little Phillips. I might need a smaller screwdriver, which I don't have. Nope, I don't. I'll be right back. All right, here they are side by side. I guess you didn't have to take out those screws. There were screws in the back, and then one of them had a ground right there. So yeah, looks like it will fit pretty good. Well, I haven't tested it yet. Oh, sick, dude. And then so with the Omni, or however you say it, I'm gonna say it Omni. It comes with this little thing, basically, wherever you want your shift light, because it has a shift light right there. And with my computer that I'm gonna be running, it goes to 8,800 RPM. So I set it, or I left it at 1, which boop, there you go, 1, which is 8,200 for the shift light. So I would like roughly around 500 RPM, or I guess it'd be 600. Maybe I might move it up just a little bit for that 500. Boom, there you go. So that's good. And then other than that, just bolt it back in, plug everything back in, and it should work. So I'm gonna start bolting everything back up and get to seeing this. I'm freaking excited. Even this looks sick. Kind of remind me of like an EK-ish. And then I wonder if that's like a little turbo. I'm not sure. Let's get to it. All right, so I already had it on the on position, so now it went back down to 0. So start up the car and see. Oh snap. Car is already slightly-ish warm. Basically, it's been started up like an hour ago. But yeah. Oh, I still gotta clean that. It's nasty. Yeah, my radio just connected, so I had to freaking turn it off. But yeah, it works pretty good. No, I'm not gonna be able to use all the way with the single cam. It's probably gonna end up at 7. Yeah, right there. But yeah, looks sick. Maybe I might go drive around a little bit. OEM. Looks OEM, honestly, besides the words. It actually does, yeah. Oh, heck yeah. That's pretty cool. Well, guys, I didn't get to record of it actually in action, but yeah, this first one, so basically I went through 4 of these tachs. Reason being, it had their problems of because the company started to remake these, and you know, I think it was a trial and error type of deal. So that first one, it was actually pretty cool, really accurate. But so the first one lasted me for like a month, and reason being, it turned out when I took it out, 2 of the things were broke. But I didn't know that. It just started to bug out. I'll show you the videos right here. So yeah, so I sent them those videos to the company. Great customer service, by the way, awesome. And I thought it was software related, so I was like, hey, just make sure the software is good. And so they sent me out another one, and I'm like, you know what, in the meantime, let me just throw on the stock one for now, because I daily my car. And then it turned out it was those little things, see right here. Yeah, so then I got the second one in. I was like, oh man, I should have told them. But then I was like, you know, let's just see how long this one lasts. And so I got another one. And again, I don't know what order it was but then this is probably the second one. I got another one. Those same ones broke off again. So I was like, hey, send another email. Like, hey, these broke off. Can you like reinforce those? And like, oh yeah. So send me out another one, a third one, which is this one right here. And the signal broke. And I was like, bruh. So then I was like, hey man, how can you just like reinforce all of them and make sure like software is good? And so they sent me out a 4th one, which is now on the car, and it's working like good now. It's already been maybe a few months now of having it, and no problems so far, knock on wood. My desk is wood. But yeah, I mean, I legit have 3 Omni tachs. I mean, maybe if you get them soldered, they might work. But I mean, if you're a show car, hit me up just to have it. But yeah, I mean, these are pretty cool, honestly. Like, I love the design of them. It's just something like so cool. Like, it's something old school they brought back. Because the old school one, I think it's just all white and it doesn't have this. Nor I don't think the little turbo logo. But yeah. If you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, help your boy out, and subscribe with that notification bell on for car content and Grom content in the future. I got some parts down here for the Grom, just little things, but yeah, so till next time, peace. Oh, and by the way, when I said the adjustment was the needle, it's not. It's actually, let me get it out real quick. It is this little thing right there. Yeah. So that's set at 0, and that's the adjustment for the shift light. So, little correction on myself.